Hey guys, what's going on? It's Michael with Michael's Semi-Daily Updates. Just jumping on here. Today is February 6th. It's 9:50, so the market has been open for 20 minutes. Let's see. Palantir is having a good day so far, up almost 3%. Nvidia was up to 127, almost 127.60. It's starting to fall back down a little bit, but still not looking bad. I've got these marked off. It's the high and low of the first 5 minutes in the market, and then normally, I've said this before, but if it dips back down here and then comes back and closes, if it comes back down, it looks like Nvidia is going to drop. If it can continue to stay above that line, we're in good shape. Applied Digital, it's down. It's still up today, but it's down a little bit. It was up to 826 at some point today, pre-market. Let's see. I want to do this. Oops. Because I want to see the chat. Let's see, actually. When anybody gets on here, I don't know why I can't move. There we go. That's better. Okay. The thing is, I can't really see my... Let's see. That's good enough. All right. That's set up. Let's see, Nvidia looking good. It's looking like it's, as long as it can stay above 126, 125 really, we're pretty good. Don't know why I can't. Alright, I think we're set up finally. Holy cow. It's got one view, average 28 seconds. I'm kicking butt on this live stream. Nvidia just went into a buy. Palantir just passed $105. That is big. I do have a Palantir call. I bought a put yesterday and then I sold it at 99 something. And I bought a call at that point because I figured that it's looking good. I mean, it's up going closing in on 4%. Dave is looking good too. It's another one that's just looked really good. Could have got this stock for at that buy signal at $99. So you're looking at $10 profit per every hundreds of 10% return. Holo, so now $1.48. Almost want to buy some more, but I mean, it could drop to, it could be $1.30, $1.38 tomorrow. So just not going to be buying why there's no green candles coming in, I'll tell you that. It's just ridiculous. And AMD, let's see what AMD, it's starting to come back up. It was up to $112.54 at one point in time. When I had a call, it would have been smart to sell it then. I sold it right around 100, and I think it was 110.79. Just couldn't get to it in time. Palantir up over 4%. I mean, it's just flying today. Palantir is flying. I mean, will it reach 107 today? I don't know. The Fubo put is doing good too. And Palantir, I'm up. Let's see what I'm up on my call. I'm up 57%, 65% today, 57%. Now just jumped to 59%. So it's not having any trouble moving. What is the volume? It's volume in Palantir. Wow. And it has just went straight up. 17 million. And it's early. It's not even 10 o'clock. So normally the 1 hour rule, 10 o'clock, you know, if it's if a stock's going up like that, that's usually the direction it's going to go. If it hadn't changed by 11 o'clock, it's probably definitely going to keep going that direction. I would think it would have a pullback at some point in time, but I'm really wondering, what do I do with this call? I mean, I'm really made a lot of money on it so far. 263 bucks. I'm up. It cost me $4.75, so might pull back here. You might see a pull back here, maybe. I don't know. Still can't make up its mind. This is an indecision candle. It's like, what is it gonna do? Is it gonna go green? Is it gonna go red? Minutes, look at that. And that is crazy. Looks like it's falling back 104.85. Will it keep the... It'd probably be a good time to buy a put, but it just looks so strong. Take it down to 15 minutes. Just hit a buy at 15 minutes. I was going to sell, but I don't think I am. Don't know if I should or not. I mean, you got a buy signal at 15 minutes. Let's see. It's right back up over 105. It just can't sell that yet. SoFi must be having a terrible day. Oh boy, it is. Down 3%, down to 15. Is it going to go under $14? I mean, SoFi at 14 bucks I think is a deal. No financial advice, but my personal opinion, SoFi for $15 is a good deal. That's a $20 stock. Should be. Archer. It's another one I like long term, but I think short term you're going to have a lot of this. It's just going to kind of be doing nothing really. It's another one though. I mean, if you look at Archer, I mean, you have big, spikes. It's another good one to, call on the way up and a put on the way down. I mean, that's a lot of money both ways. Got 3 views. Average duration 16 seconds. You probably get on here at the time that I cannot get my screen set up, or maybe they see the Kansas City Chiefs shirt and say, "Man, I'm tired of the Chiefs. Every time I look around, it's the Kansas City Chiefs." And I don't blame you. But if you're a Chiefs fan, boy, it's a great time to be alive, to say the least. Let's see what. Sorry, people texting me about the market. And right now, in all honesty, can't really make up its mind what it wants to do. Big green candle coming in there for Nvidia. And it looks like it's followed up by a red candle. Nvidia looks alright. Applied Digital is falling. It is falling. Now, Applied Digital, anytime that one falls, I buy that one, because if it falls to you got the $7 level, the $6 level, but that thing's going to rise back up to $9. So it's almost guaranteed money. I play puts and calls on this stock all the time, because as you can see, it has huge ups and downs. So you want to be careful with your calls and puts. But if you pick the right time, and honestly, these super trend on trading view, they're pretty good. I mean, you're not right all the time, but as you can see, let me get in here. So as you can see, it's a buy signal right there. So you would have went from 761, and then they give you a sell signal here at 825. So I mean, it's a pretty good run. But look at this one, it's crazy. But they gave you a sell at $9.40, and it ran all the way down to $6.12. That's huge money on a put. And same thing, it just gave you a sell signal now. Here's the morning charts. This is the high and low for the first 5 minutes. Take it down to the 1 minute. fell, closed. So if it falls, it's gonna. If it falls beneath this line again, it is going to have a pretty decent drop. So right now, not trading it, but it's not a sell on the 1 minute. I think it is on the 15 minutes. Yeah, it is on the 15 minutes. Palantir back up over 105. Goodness gracious. Yeah, I'm up 54% on my. What's up, Noah? Let's see what you're saying here. I just saw your comments. Yeah, Holo's, boy, it's let's see, what was it? It was $1.48 last I checked. You have $1.48. I mean, if it doesn't, you know, I've been saying for a little bit, if it doesn't happen the month of February, I'm going to hold on to it till February, maybe the first week or two of March, and, you know, see what it does. I mean, I've got, let's see what my average is. My average is, I mean, ridiculous, and I'm still down $3.70, which, you know, whatever, but my average is, yeah, so my average is $1.53. $1.53. Tesla calls. What's going on, Elsa? Yeah, Tesla calls. I am sure they are a little bit pricey. Let's see. $15 minutes. Let's go to the 30 minutes. Man, Tesla, that's another one. It's just don't understand, especially I figured with Trump getting in office that one would be taken off, but you're talking 419 to 364. What is, I know Tesla calls are expensive. Let's see what we got. Yeah, Elsa, all your money's in Holo. I mean, at one point in time, all my money was pretty much in Holo too. I had to slowly kind of work my way out of that. And with microcloud hologram, you know, I'm definitely a supporter of the squeeze plays and everything like that. And I've been in microcloud hologram for a long time. And if it doesn't do something this month, I mean, I've been saying that for months and months and months and months. We've got to slowly work our way out of that and get into plays like Applied Digital. You know, I mean, Elsa, Applied Digital, it's for some reason not very well known. It's a data center. They make data centers, but it's, you know, when it always up and down. There's a lot of money to be made on the. Let's just go to 6 months here. You know, you went from, I mean, $2.67 to $7, then it drops back down to $3, then it comes back up to $8, then you know, $5 or $6, jumps up to $11.50, drops down to $7.50, then drops down to $6, and back up to $8.32. Now it's back down to $8.11. So once this gets in the, you know, if it can get under $8 in the 7, that's when I start watching it and kind of see what the volume is, and just see what we can do here. Let's see what Tesla called. Oh, Tesla, boy. Ella likes the Tesla calls. Let's see it. February 21st call. Palantir up 5% today. That's just crazy to me. Yeah, that's a good dream, Elsa. That's a beautiful dream. And the thing is, call me crazy, but I've had these feelings that something was just going to happen. I mean, all I want to do is get on here and do a live stream where we're up to, you know, even $30 at this point. You know, that's huge. I'm looking at Tesla calls. You got to be really careful on calls on Tesla, calls or puts, because whoo, you can get burned. You can really get burned on these. Calls are great, puts are great, but if you call them right, if you don't, then it can be really bad. It's not giving, still in a sell signal for Tesla. Oh, there we go. It's starting to get some volume now. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Microcloud hologram. You make me want to puke. You make me want to puke, Microcloud hologram. Man, Palantir just doesn't look like it's going to slow down. I mean, I'd really like to buy a Tesla call. Especially right now when it's moving up. It's up over 365. Dang it. Just... fell to $8.06, fell down to $8.02 here. I know it would be nice, else if we could get, just get that thing going. Microcloud hologram. Missing out on Tesla here. Don't like that. 5 minutes. Yeah. Here. Here. Trying to see what I can sell to buy a Tesla call. That's what I want to do. That might be too late here by the time it's 367. I mean, that's $765. Trying to decide if I want to sell my Palantir call or not. But I really don't. Look at that. I'm thinking about selling it. That thing is just shooting up. I mean, holy moly. I mean, over $107 up. I mean, it's just, Palantir is just on a roll. Can't believe how much that's up. 81%. I mean, it's got to start. I mean, look at that big volume candle that just came in there. Yeah. Elsa, I'm telling you, I keep thinking I want to sell Palantir too. I mean, is it going to get up to 110? I mean, give me a break. The thing is, when this thing falls, it's going to fall hard, I think. I mean, going into Friday, I think Palantir probably falls back down to earth. It might be a good time to buy a put, but boy, you hate buying something this strong. I mean, it's definitely strong. I mean, the ask is $885 on my call. I bought it for $475, so today I'm up 92% on the call. Crazy, crazy. $107.32, almost up 6% on Palantir. AMD's trying to come back. $110. Long term, I mean, I I mean, long term, I mean, AMD is going to be $115, guys. I mean, let's see what a $115 call is on AMD, just out of curiosity. Palantir fell below 107. We got to watch this one, because when this one starts to fall, and I've got a call. Well, I should have probably sold it at 107, but it's got so much ding. People are starting to take profits again, but there it goes, almost up to 107 again. I mean, it's just nuts. There it is, 107 again. That's just nuts, guys. 107.27, 107.29. I mean, it's every time it starts to slow down, it's not. Here's Tesla starting to fall back down. I'd like to buy a call. If it can break under 365, I would like to buy a call. Hopefully get it up to 370. That's what I'm waiting for there. SoFi just broke underneath $15. It's not good. That's not good. Applied Digital, $8. Once again, that's gonna, I mean, let that thing fall, and then we buy a call. Let that thing fall, and then we buy a call. Because I'm telling you, Applied Digital, that's a $15 stock. I mean, really right now, I mean, Nvidia at $126, the DeepSeek news just brought Nvidia down to a great price, my personal opinion. Applied Digital, I have great faith in this stock. I've played it too long. I have a lot better faith in these charts staying in the same place. But, so that one can fall if it needs to. That's fine. I will buy more up. Actually I sold some Nvidia calls, or not Nvidia calls, Applied calls, which I wish I wouldn't have, or just stocks, I'm sorry, just stocks, but because my average is $6.59 on Applied Digital. And my average on Palantir is $92, which I didn't think was that great. It's turned out to be alright. I'm down on SoFi. My average on SoFi is $15.32. So need to buy some more SoFi. My average on Nvidia is $119.87. Like Holo Stock too. My average is $3.86. So I try to wait till I get down to fairly close to my average. Snapchat, I like a lot. Long term. Another one that had a huge day yesterday. It looks like it just went in the red. But that's Big Bear AI. I think they're a $7 stock. I think they can do something. Applied Digital is sinking. Where's Palantir? 107.37. Boy, just can't sell that stock right now. Just can't sell it. It's got 3 minutes. That one. I don't know what that means. I do like the super trends though. Like, it gave a buy signal at Palantir at 101, and so you've took it from 101 to 107.29. What did it go to when it beat earnings? Been this high before? I think it was. Is this the all-time high? I don't think so. I thought I got to 110 or something. Let me see. we're at a 52-week high. Wow. 107.52, which happened today, was a 52-week high. Wow, it's pretty crazy. Look at that. Holy moly. I say, I mean, at 106, got it reached an all-time high. I mean, I would think it would be time to just back up to 107.27. I've got to sell that call. I just don't think it's gonna. Now what I'm worried about, see, I had an applied call as well. That's not going to do so hot. Because applied is down a lot today. Let's see. 107.41. 107.52, that's the high, so that's a new 52-week high. I mean, 107.59, 107.51 is a new all-time high. Wow. I mean, does it keep going up? I just don't think so. About 150 shares in Holo. $150,000 shares, $1.47. I mean, I sold Palantir at 107. There's a green candle on microcloud hologram. This is the 5-minute candle. Let's move it down to the 1 minute. Maybe it'll look a little more exciting. It's a pretty big candle right there. 150,000 shares. I mean, where was it when it was $1.46 when that happened? I mean, now somebody buying 150,000 shares, and that's a lot of money somebody put in that stock. That's they're braver than I am, I'll tell you that. Yeah, 146. It's just, oh my goodness. It's my wife calling, guys. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. 3 viewers. Let me put it on. Hello? Oh, nothing. I'm just streaming. Give me the, yeah. Give me 1 second. One second here. Let me get these guys set up. How's your day going? really good if you're down to, you know, just a couple or something. Alright, let's see if anything happened. Let's see if anything's happened. It's up 2 cents since I left. It was at $1.46 when I left. I mean, that's something. That is something. Palantir almost up to 108. Darn it. I got rid of that call. I mean, I got to be happy with my profit. But, man. I mean, it might touch 110 today. That's crazy. That is crazy. What else is up? Dave's up 7%. I like that stock too. It's another one that not a whole lot of people know about, but Johnson & Johnson. It's another stock I like. It's one Noah brought me attention to. It's let's see, 6 months. It's really down if I can remember right. Yeah, so we're sitting at 168. Let's see. Yeah, I was gonna say it was sitting higher at that. One point in time. $187. Archer Aviation. The 1 minute candles. Got some big volume candles coming in there. And it's doing pretty decent. Let's see what it's up for the week. AMD is about to drop under 110. Tesla. I really would like to buy a call. I'm just scared to. really would. I'm just scared to. Got two. Last time it was at a buy. It went down in price. So let's see. I just bought a call. I'm down $5, down $7, down $2, up $3, down $2. It's like a game. So we just gotta hope Tesla keeps going, because that was an expensive call. It cost $1,385. So we'll see. We'll see on Tesla. That was a call that expires February 21st. You're getting a lot of volume coming in on Tesla though. 29 million. Let's see if Holo's doing anything. $1.48, it's not doing nothing. Getty looked like it was going to do something this morning. Hasn't. Big Bear AI, it's going back up after it dropped down a little bit. It was above 750. This morning it was up at 782. If we can get it to break 750 though, we're in good shape on Big Bear AI. Especially if it came back down, if it can go back up past $1.50, that would be a good thing. Applied Digital, and every time it drops, it gets right to that $8 level, it bounces. And Palantir is starting to climb again. I think this one falls though. I mean, it took a huge jump in earnings. I mean, it went from, just today it's up 6. I mean, man, look at it today. This is crazy. Crazy day for Palantir. And I got out of my call position about right there. So I've missed out on a little bit. And it doesn't look like it's getting any weaker. It's about to cross 108. There it goes. 108.07. That's insane. 108.16. Look at all that volume coming in. Man, not a good time to sell my call. I can't. Now it's to a point where I can't buy back in. But I'm telling you what, that was dumb. That was dumb. Man. It's going to drop here for a second. I mean, it's just can't go up forever, but it's, as we speak, get another green candle to start making it go back up. I'm waiting for it to fall below $1.07, but I'm telling you what, 36 views, average view duration 1 minute and 35 seconds. Most of that's you, Elsa. I appreciate it. Noah was on here too. Noah, I did buy a call if you're still on for Tesla. And it's down $57 right now. So right now, I sold a call for Palantir. And then I bought a Tesla call. I bought it about here. which I think I'm still going to be in good shape, but minus 90. I mean, I hope so, because that was a big chunk of change, but I do have faith in Tesla. I mean, I was wanting to get it at 365, which would have been not too far. It would have been, I was trying to wait till 365, which would have been here. But 754. It's a higher high. So this was the first one that didn't make a higher high on Palantir. Got up to 108.18. So if it can cross back up over 108, we're still going to be going in that right direction. But boy, it's up 6%. That's a good day for Palantir. A good day for Palantir. $107.72. It's not going to slow down, I don't think. I don't think it's going to slow down. Got a couple of red candles in there, but I think that might be about it on Palantir. It looks good. Tesla, come on, baby. I need you to do something. I need Tesla to go up and Palantir to go down. And that's what I need. That's what I need. That's what I need. That's what I need. I think I have a really good call on SoFi. At least it looked good. It's a $16 break-even price. Expiration date's January 16th, 2026. It was $668 to buy. Right now I'm down $47 because it's down to $14.81, but I have plenty of time. I like that call a lot. Michael Cloud hologram. Dave just still going up. Johnson & Johnson. Michael Cloud hologram. We'd have a big green candle come in there. This is the 5-minute candles. Let's see, 1 minute. Not so green. Let's do 1-day candles for the month. Let's see what we got. These are 1-day candles for the month. We had a buy at $1.52. We have not hit a sell yet, so that's interesting. These are back to the 1-minute candles, and it looks like, based off my lines, went down, closed, came up. Looks like it's not going to be going up today. It stinks, guys. Applied Digital, now it is under $8. This is something here that makes you think. Applied Digital. $9. Oh, they're gonna keep this. Fly Digital gonna keep going down. Did we ever get a sell on that? Where did we get a sell? Where did we get a sell on that? Well. Tesla call is not working out right now, at least. Applied call is not working out. I've got a put on Palantir. I've got a call on Tesla, and both of them are going the wrong direction right now, but AMD just disgusts me. It's another one that absolute money destroyer. And there again, we should have saw that. Went up, down, came all the way down, closed, came up, back down, closed. Should have saw that one coming. We could have made a lot of decent money on that one, on the fall down from AMD. Tesla, there's the 365. Gosh, gonna drop under 365. I mean, we did drop down to 363. That's when I was wanting to buy a call and I didn't have enough money. I had to sell some things to get the money to buy the call. By the time I bought the call, it was at 367, I think. Yep, somewhere right around here. But I think that'll change. It expires February 21st. I think we will. I think we'll have it. I think we're going to recover. I think right now it even says this. Shares fell this week due to investor worries over trade tensions and new U.S. tariffs on China, with the stock's performance under close watch alongside other major tech firms. So I think, just personally, this tariff thing is overblown. I mean, I think it's a good thing for the United States, but it's about time people start paying their fair share, but I think it's overblown. I think it's just scaring the markets right now, basically. That's just my opinion, though. Let's see what we got. Applied Digital. That time Tesla. We got two buy signals on Tesla, but it's just sitting flat, not doing anything. Not doing anything. I mean, there we go, 366.20. It's starting to do something. We needed to get up over 370 though, is what we need. Where's my break even on this? 386. You know, Tesla's one of those stocks, boy, it can, like, it's down 3% just with a little bit of good news. Next thing you know, it can be up 6%. It's pretty crazy. That's why they're so expensive to buy. Holo, $1.47. Microcloud hologram. Apple, that's another one. Apple's down to 230 today. I mean, just the day after Christmas, it was at 259. It's at 230. I mean, Apple's not going anywhere, so. Sorry guys, trying to for something to sell here. I can't really find a lot. I want to sell things I'm up on. Because I want just a little bit more money to purchase an applied call. Sorry guys, almost done. Promise. I promise. I got more than that, guys. 341. Curious what Applied Digital is going to do here, because if it closes down here, which it did, it's probably going to go lower. Let's see. It goes lower. Tesla's set at 364.87. It's not good. This is why you don't play calls and puts on Tesla. In my opinion, it's just, I mean, I'm sure this is still going to work out for me, but I need it to at least. And, you never bet more than you can afford to lose, and I don't do that. It's just but start out. Palantir is shut up over 108. Tesla. It's fighting that 365 level. Palantir lost to 108. Fubo slowly falling back to $4. Snapchat, it's had a decent earnings, but looks like Wells Fargo downgraded Snapchat from an overweight rating to an equal weight rating, reduced its price target from $15 to $11. Last time they did that, didn't really matter. Microcloud hologram, nothing to see there. MCI, nothing to see there. Big Bear AI, I mean, it was sitting at a decent level, and then it sold off back down to, it looks like $7. And then it's taking a ride back up. Started from the bottom, now we're here. And Palantir, Palantir is the superstar today. Up almost 7%. Up $7. And I sold my call right about there. Because I got scared. That's why you don't get scared. I mean, I was up 87%. I'm thinking just take the profit. But then the dumb thing was I bought a put. I still think it's going to work out. I think Palantir is going to drop from these levels, but I could be wrong. I mean, I love Palantir too. It's my favorite stock, so I don't really like betting against Palantir, and this is why I don't, because now it's closing in on 109. I mean, it could touch $110 today, guys. Just the Palantir in a week is up 35%. For the month, it's up 48%, almost 50%. 3 months, it's up 103%. Year to date, it's up 42%, but that's only a couple months. 1 year, it's up 434%. Now, see, guys, remember when it was at 300, they said, "Oh my goodness, we cannot, it's up 300%. There's no way it can keep going up." Well, now it's up 434% and rising. I mean, it's going to get up to $110. I mean, every single time we get a high, it's a new 52-week high. They just absolutely, let's see what they did. They beat earnings good. Estimated earnings per share was 11 cents. Their actual was 14 cents, so they beat it by 3 cents. Everything looks good, so we probably shouldn't be buying puts on it, but I did. We'll see how it works out. But I've lost about $500 today, so considering everything I've put out there, not bad, but I don't like being red, that's for sure. Got a lot of money in here, so, but it is down. I am down 4%, so hasn't been the greatest day in the world. Started out good because I made really good money off that Palantir call, but then I shouldn't have bought the put. But what are you gonna do? You know, what are you gonna do? But guys, I think I'm gonna jump off here. You know, see, it's 11 o'clock. I've been on since about 9:45, hoping something would happen with microcloud hologram, and you can see what it's doing. It's been a real exciting day for microcloud hologram. You know, this microcloud hologram, it's not fun. This is how I feel with microcloud hologram. And AMD, it's under 110. I mean, now I just don't think. And I think AMD is a good price too. I just $795. Just can't find a call I like either. I need Tesla to make a jump. I need Palantir to slow it down. Palantir is coming back down. It's actually a pretty big drop for Palantir. AMD looking good, and it's starting to fall back down to earth. Holo still sitting on $1.46. Man, one day, guys. Hopefully it's one day this month. If not, I don't know how much longer I'm going to be in microcloud hologram. It's frustrating. I don't think I've been more frustrating stock. It's right up there with AMC. When we was all waiting on that pop. That never happened. The video to sell. I can see NVIDIA falling. It's had a pretty good day. Had a pretty good couple days actually. But alright guys, well listen, thanks for tuning in. Let's see. We had 81 views. That's pretty good. Average view durations minute 19 seconds. I mean that's pretty you know, pretty nice. But the views are picking up. I need watch time. That's what I need. But you know, we got 82 views. I was hoping something would happen here, but looks like the market's just sitting pretty flat outside of Palantir that has had a day. Palantir has had a day. I mean, they gave it a sell signal yet? Oh, there it is right there. It's starting to curve down a little bit. So dropped below 107 there for a second, and now it just lost the sell signal. Let's see if it comes back up. Because I've got a Palantir put that I've really got to think about getting out of, but I don't want to get out of it right now where I'm at. But I think Palantir would drop. I mean, it was up, gosh, what was it, 7% at some point today? It's up to 108.66. The thing is, that's the thing. Is it gonna microcloud hologram? It is sinking. It is sinking, guys. This is what I'm thinking about microcloud hologram. That's what the chart looks like every day to me. That's how I look every day looking at microcloud hologram. I mean, it's ridiculous. Now it's $1.44. Was it $1.43? Goodness gracious. Not good. Keep falling. Looks like the whole market's not doing the greatest. Palantir under 107. Let's see. Nvidia coming back. I mean, the thing with Nvidia is we got to sell right here, and then we automatically got to buy. So we get a sell at $1.2642, then we get a buy at $1.2643. So I mean, I don't, because for the most part these super trends are pretty decent. Just like this, it said to buy. I mean, it switched pretty good. I mean, it could have told you to sell here, and it would have been better. But you had buy here at 126, and then you know the would have went from 126.43, so 30 cents in a couple minutes. And it's still looking good. Palantir starting to catch back up over 107. AMD is looking good. Looking better, I should say. Tesla, we need to get up here. We need to get like up here somewhere. Let's see. Where do I need to get Tesla just to be in the money? Let's get to 368.95 for me to be in the money. Still early. Palantir starting to move back up. I think it's still going to fall. Tesla, keep going. Keep going, Tesla. Keep going. I mean, every time they get to that level, right around this level, the 366.50, we have trouble with it. So 366.50, we've got to break. No. Well, guys, I wish I could say more was happening, but it's not. Microcloud hologram. $1.44 my booty. What a joke. Guys, I am going to jump off here. If anything happens, anything exciting happens, I'll jump on. One of these days, hopefully we have a microcloud hologram slam dunk, and we could celebrate on here all together, but it is not working out like that right now. Not today, at least. As a matter of fact, it went from being up 5% to down $1.37. But this is the first time you're watching. Talk about a lot of different stocks, especially I call it the NASDAQ. It's NVIDIA, Applied Digital, SoFi, Tesla, AMD, and Palantir. And we also have other, smaller cap stocks we like Archer Aviation. We've got, Holo is one we hold. We've been holding Holo for a long time. Dave is a great stock. Snapchat, Fubo TV, I think, has got a good opportunity. So just a lot of different stocks. But so it's an interesting channel. Like and subscribe if you'd like to. I would definitely appreciate it. I'm trying to get up to, well, I'm up to over 500 subscribers, so I got that. I need to get some more watch time. Once I get the watch time down, then I can start, doing like Discord, and then we can put some more things on there, like as far as the plays, we can actually do a little bit more talking, and that will be interesting, I think. So it's I just need some watch time. So if you can like and subscribe, if you want something to go to sleep on, put one of my mixes on. Just put a Michael Semi Daily Update, and just go and click on the mix button, and it'll play you a bunch of my videos, and you will be asleep in no time, I can guarantee it. But and then maybe one day we'll wake up with Holo, but it's not going to be today, I don't think. But that's it, guys. Thanks so much for joining me, and I appreciate you guys, and you take care. Good luck to you. Let me know if you have any stocks that you want me to talk about or watch during the day, and we can do that as well. Okay, so thanks all. You guys take care, and good luck trading.